Today we are counting down our picks for the top 5 strangest planets in space. Before we begin, we publish new videos every day, so be sure to subscribe for more great content. For this list we'll be looking at planets that have us constantly scratching our heads in bewilderment, making us question what we know, or what we think we know. Look at all the crazy crap surrounding us. 1. J1407b, an exomoon or a Saturn on steroids. J1407b has been referred to as a Saturn on steroids or Super Saturn due to its massive system of circumplanetary rings, about 640 times the one of Saturn's rings. It is an exoplanet located 434 light-years from Earth in the constellation of Centaurus, and is the only known exoplanet with rings similar to Saturn. If this planet swapped places with Saturn, its rings would dominate the Earth's sky and would appear many times larger than a full moon. There is a large gap halfway through the ring system, and it's possible that a Mars-sized exomoon orbits the planet within this gap. If there are any aliens living on this exomoon, then they have an extraordinary view looking up into the sky. 2. Gliese 581c, a potentially habitable exoplanet. Gliese 581c is an exoplanet located 20 light-years or 120 trillion miles, 192 trillion kilometers, from Earth in the constellation of Libra. The planet orbits its star at a distance of 6.8 million miles, around 10.9 million kilometers, only 7% of the 93 million miles, 150 million kilometers, distance between the Earth and the Sun. Gliese 581c is tidally locked, meaning that one side of the planet always faces the star and the other side never does. The near side is experiencing scorching temperatures which would instantly melt you alive, while the far side experiences freezing temperatures that would instantly turn you into a frozen snowman. Between these two extremes, however, is a narrow strip of land with better conditions that could theoretically support alien life. In 2008, we sent a radio message at Gliese 581c, which is expected to reach the planet in 2029. 3. GJ 1214b, the water world. It is the most likely known candidate for being an ocean planet. GJ 1214b has no land, but only oceans that stretch all over the surface. If it is a water world, it could possibly be thought of as a bigger and hotter version of Jupiter's Galilean moon Europa. 4. Gliese 436b, a planet defying the laws of physics. Gliese 436b is an exoplanet located 30 light-years from Earth in the constellation of Leo and seems to defy the laws of physics. This planet orbits its star at a distance 15 times closer than Mercury is to the Sun, and the icy surface is roasting at a temperature of 439 degrees Celsius, 822 degrees Fahrenheit. So how does ice of all things remain completely solid at 439 degrees above its melting point? Because the gravity is so incredibly strong that it compresses the trace amounts of water vapor in the planet's atmosphere into solid ice and prevents it from melting, no matter how much it burns. One orbit around the star takes only about 2 days, 15.5 hours. Number 5. 55 Cancri E, a diamond planet. 55 Cancri E is only about 40 light-years away from us in the Cancer constellation. It is twice the size of Earth but is nearly 8 times more massive and twice as dense. The parent star has much more carbon than our own Sun, and the mass of the planet is thought to be largely carbon. Due to the pressure and average maximum surface temperature of 4,417 degrees Fahrenheit, 2,400 degrees Celsius, this super-Earth is believed to be covered with diamonds. It is so close to its parent star it takes a mere 18 hours for the planet to complete a full orbit. I guess this one's a little small. Do you agree with our picks? Check out these other great clips from Kojo TV and subscribe for new videos every day.